Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad mathematics problem, that is 3 to the power x plus x is equal to 11. We need to find the value of x. So starting our solution, first of all, if we are going to suppose that, let us suppose if we are going to put that value of that this x, let's say it is equal to 1. So what will be the answer? That 3 to the power 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here we get that is it equal to 11? So here 4 is not equal to 11. So it is rejected, that we don't have the value of x, which is 1. Now if you put x is equal to 2, then we get 3 to the power 2 plus 2, is it equal to 11? Now 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 2, is it equal to 11? And yes, 11 is equal to 11. So we just find that x is equal to 2 is the answer of this problem. So we have to solve this. Now here starting our solution, that 3 to the power x plus x is equal to 11. Now if we just shift this plus x to our right hand side, we get 3 to the power x is equal to 11 minus x. Here dividing both hand side by 3 to the power x on our right hand side, cancelling 3 to the power x, so we get 11 minus x all over 3 to the power x is equal to 1. Now we are going to use a nice algebraic identity, as we know that if we have 1 over a to the power n, then it is equal to a to the power minus n. So here this 3 to the power x can be written as 11 minus x times 3 to the power minus x, 3 to the power minus x, which is equal to 1. Now here this 3 to the power minus x, so it is 11 minus x. Now we have to use here a very nice function of mathematics, that is Lambert W function. So we know that Lambert W function is given by that Lambert W function times a times e to the power a, then it will be equal to a. So here we have this value 11 minus x, and its exponent will be the same. So here we have minus x, but there is no 11. First of all, we just multiply 3 to the power 11 on both hand side. So 11 minus x times 3 to the power minus x times 3 to the power 11, multiplying on our left hand side and similarly multiplying on our right hand side. Now 11 minus x, again using exponential here identity, that is if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. So applying this identity here, then we get bases are same, so we have 3. We can also write 11 minus x, is it equal, is it is equal to 3 to the power 11. So now here we have to just write exponential here, so this will be 3 to the power 11 minus x. We can also write this 3, as we know that if we have e to the power natural log of a, then it is equal to a, so e to the power natural log of 3 is equal to 3. Now 11 minus x times 3 to the power, here 3 to the power 11 minus x, it can be written as that is e to the power, that is exponential to the power natural log of 3 whole to the power 11 minus x, which is equal to 3 to the power 11. Now here we have that 11 minus x times e to the power, if we just write 11 minus x times natural log of 3, that is equal to 3 to the power 11. Now we have to just make this value and this exponent same. So for this purpose, here we have 11 minus x, but there is no natural log of 3. Now multiplying natural log of 3 on both hand side, then it will be 11 minus x. Here we have that natural log of 3, and then e to the power 11 minus x times natural log of 3, that is equal to 3 to the power 11 times natural log of 3. We have just multiplied by natural log of 3 on both hand side. So here we just write that 11 minus x, that is natural log of 3, and here we have e to the power 11 minus x times natural log of 3. So our right hand side is 3 to the power 11 can also be written as 3 to the power 2 and plus 9, which is equal to 11. So times natural log of 3. Now if we just solve this one, our right hand side of this equation, then we have this will be 3 squared times natural log of 3, and here we have 3 to the power 9. So next step is this 3 squared is 9 natural log of 3, and this 3 to the power 9 can be written as e to the power natural log of 3 whole to the power 9. So we have 9 natural log of 3 times here e to the power, it can be written as 9 natural log of 3, applying that logarithm powers law. So this will be shifted here, we get 9 natural log of 3. Now our left hand side is 11 minus x natural log of 3 times e to the power 11 minus x times natural log of 3. Now applying Lambert W function on both hand side. So here if we are going to use Lambert W function, then it will be that Lambert W function times this left hand side and similarly right hand side. Now applying Lambert W function, so Lambert W function times 11 minus x times natural log of 3 times e to the power 11 minus x times natural log of 3, that is equal to Lambert W function 9 natural log of 3 times e to the power 9 natural log of 3. So we have just used Lambert W function. According to Lambert W function, that is Lambert W function that a times e to the power a, then it will be equal to a. Here we see that this coefficient and this exponent are same, so it will be equal to a. So applying the same law here, then we see that this 11 minus x times natural log of 3 and this one exponent is same. Similarly on our right hand side, that is 9 natural log of 3, and here we have 9 natural log of 3. So applying Lambert W function, then we get, here we have 11 minus x times natural log of 3 is equal to here 9 natural log of 3. So it is very nice Lambert W function that we use in maths for our convenience. So here cancelling natural log of 3 on both hand side, we get 11 minus x is equal to 9. So here 11 shifting this one, we get plus 9 will be, that is minus 9, it will be minus 9, and minus x will be plus x. So we have x is equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Then we find out the value of x, which is 2. It is our final answer, and we have just verified earlier from the start of this problem. So x is equal to 2, it is valid solution for this problem. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. So here we have just find out the values of a, that x is equal to this one. So it is our entire solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.